toys down. I don't have any more good toys to review. Shucks. Oh, I know. Barnes & Noble sells toys now. Let's go to Barnes & Noble. How do I get there though? Oh, I know. Abracadabra! Take me to Barnes & Nobles. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Where am I? What's this? Ooh! It's Barnes & Noble! Yay! Here I come! Woohoo! I want those toys! Check it out, guys! Barnes & Noble! Just look at all this cool kid stuff they got here. Books! Check out these dolls! I'm taking this one. And this book, too! They have puppets! Ah! I'm taking this one. Yay! They got Hatchimals, LOL surprise toys. Look at all this stuff. Ooh, Peppa Pig. Taking that one. And this one. And that one. And this one. Wah-ha! Check it out, guys. They have the new Toy Story 4 toys. Gotcha. Yay! They also have a bunch of educational toys, too. Lots of different science ones with planets and different things. Is that what I think it is? Yeah! Trains! Time to go home. Thank you. Whoa! Oh boy, I'm back, guys. And oh man, did I get some cool toys. Let's see what I got! Yay! The first thing we got is this Beaker creature's Whirling Wave Reactor! Wow! This thing looks like it could be interesting! Let's see what else we got! Hold on! It's a puppet book! Wow! I couldn't pass this one up! It's a Mary Had a Little Lamb puppet book! Woo! I'm gonna check this one out, but hold on! I saved the best for last! You guessed it, guys! A Star Wars Lego set! Wow! It's the Elite Praetorian Guard Battle Pack! Yeah, with 109 pieces! Oh man, I can't wait to play with this one! Yeah! Whoa! But wait! There's one more thing! I also picked up this monkey backpack while I was there. I couldn't resist. Imagine how cool this is gonna be. It looks like a monkey, and I can put all my school stuff in here and my toys. Wow, I just love monkeys. Okay, guys, let's play with those toys. Yay! Oh, hey, guys, I thought we'd start with the Whirling Wave Reactor. Yeah, you get this little poster, and it shows you all the different Beaker creatures you can collect. There he is right there, Snowball. He's a color-changing Frostonian. These are limited edition. Oh, and I guess this is Series 2 of the Beaker creatures. Snowball? Sounds like Snowflake. Hey, Snowflake, get in here. We have a creature that has the same name. Well, almost the same name as you. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so what we have to do, we take this egg, we put it here into the pod, add some water, and then it's going to reveal another character. Wow, this is awesome. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. I can't wait. guess we got our water. Let's go ahead and put this egg inside the pot and see what happens. Go ahead and take off the top like so. Whoa, look at this. Wow, that's where we're gonna put our egg. Let's go ahead and open it up. Drop your egg into the pot like so. Okay. Reassemble your top back on here like this. Alrighty, time for the water. Here it goes. Something's happening. Oh! It's bubbling like crazy. Alright, let's go ahead and spin our handle round and around. And we're done. Alright, let's open this up and see which guy we got. Let's pop off the top like this. Woo! Oh man, wow! This one looks like some sort of an alien guy. He's got 3 eyes, some sort of worm-like feet. Let's take a look at the chart and see which one he is. Okay, let's find out which one we got. Here he is right here. By you. It's a swampoid. Wow. Look, and you can get all these different ones. There's so many different ones you can collect. Pretty neat. Alright, guys. Next, I thought we'd take a look at my Mary-Headed Little Lamb puppet book. That's pretty cool. I've never seen something like... Oh my goodness, it's an actual puppet. You put your hand here. Okay, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Next page. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Oh, and check that out. On the chalkboard it says, I see a lamb. And there she is, reading the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. This is pretty neat, guys. Oh, and look at that. You can take off the book and just use it as a hand puppet. Be sure to pick up your Mary-Headed Little Lamb book at Barnes & Noble. They also have some more puppet books. Yay! These Star Wars toys are just awesome! Look at the guards, the stormtrooper, the base. Oh, wow! Pretty neat, huh, guys? I'm gonna head back to Barnes & Noble and see if I can pick up some more toys. If you guys want to buy any of the toys that I mentioned in today's video, click the links down in the description right now. Got my new monkey backpack. I'm gonna load up all my new toys in it and head back to Barnes & Noble. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Check out these awesome drawings that some of my fans did for me. If you guys want to send me a drawing, send it to info@fuzzypuppet.com. Yay! Hey, guess what, kids? You can now watch the Fuzzy Puppet Show in many different languages, like French or German or Italian. So many languages! Click one of these squares to check it out, and make sure to subscribe while you're there. Yay!